If your business is expanding globally, whether you are invoicing international clients, paying overseas suppliers, or opening a foreign bank account, you need QuickBooks to track multiple currencies accurately. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your home currency and turn on the multi-currency feature in the 2026 layout. But before we click anything, a massive warning. Once you turn on multi-currency, it is a permanent change. It cannot be turned off or undone. So, let's make sure we set it up perfectly the first time. Let's dive in. To access your currency engine, glide all the way up to the top right corner of your screen and click on your master gear icon. Under the first column labeled Your Company, select Account and Settings. Once the dashboard opens, head over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down the page until you find the dedicated section labeled Currency. Move your mouse to the far right side of that row and click Edit to reveal your currency tools. First, check your home currency. This is the core currency your business uses to file taxes and run its main financial reports. If you have a brand new, completely empty QuickBooks account with 0 transactions, you can use this drop-down to change your base home currency to whatever country you operate in. If your home currency is already correct, but you need to start accepting other global currencies, go ahead and switch the toggle. QuickBooks will display a warning reminding you that this setup is permanent. Confirm that you understand, and click the green Save button. The section will close up, and the global currency engine is now officially live in your account. Once you save, a new hyperlink will appear in that exact same section that says Manage Currencies. Click that to open your Currency Center dashboard. This is your command center where you can click the green Add Currency button in the top right to turn on specific foreign currencies, like euros, Canadian dollars, or British pounds. QuickBooks will now automatically pull the latest live exchange rates every single day so your conversion math is always flawless. Taking your business international is a huge milestone, and keeping your currency settings accurate ensures your global growth stays organized. If this setup tutorial helped you open up your global books today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.